Hey y'all, it's Alec and Cindy with Sharing the Journey. We're in Port Aransas, Texas today. Saw Howdy RV Center and pulled in to take a look at this residence or destination model RV. It's called a Residence by Keystone. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is the 40 LOFT, so I'm assuming it's a loft model. It's got a sliding glass door and a regular door at the rear. Let's go in and take a look. So there's no information in this camper. There is no salesman outside, so we're unable to tell you what it cost. I do believe it's a new RV, and it's a little dark in here. Let's go take a look around and see what there is. I'll get Cindy to give us the tour, and maybe if I can find a salesman, I'll find out how much it cost. If not, enjoy the tour, and we'll have to look her up online. So when you enter from this sliding glass door, you're about halfway through the camper, and you come to the kitchen first thing. So Cindy, what do you see?
Well, I like that it has a bar over here because it's got, you know, a flat surface. You can put your coffee maker, that sort of thing over here out of the way.
A good number of receptacles.
Yeah, so that's good.
That says road vac. I guess it's got a central vacuum system.
I'm sure this is supposed to be a wine rack. But it is a destination model, so it's not going to be moving a lot. The cabinets are decent. The refrigerator looks nice. It's got a nice drawer.
Two
Freezer.
drawers.
Yeah.
Open up the... So it's got a residential style refrigerator. Looks very nice. A lot of room.
Small sink on one side, like a prep sink. And then the bigger sink on this side.
Lift it all the way up.
I can't.
Oh, there it is.
And I guess this is like for tap water.
Drinking water, and then look at this.
Yeah. Nice storage under the sink, plenty of room. Oh, it looks like there's a water filter for that. So two drawers.
Two big drawers.
Two of these smaller drawers for utensils. Nice space for pots and pans. Again, nice flat surface. Good cabinet space.
So it has a microwave, a stove, and an oven.
Good pantry space.
Nice big pantry with a light in it.
In the pantry. The fireplace. TV.
Not sure if it's a smart TV or not.
Nice space up there.
And look, it's got speakers in the ceiling. One here, one in front of the refrigerator, one on the back side of the sofa.
There's four.
And
like it's got surround
one
sound.
right there. So I would say that it's got surround sound. And what is the brand? Furrion on the stove and on the
High Point on the microwave.
Yeah, High Point on the microwave, Furrion stove and oven. It's got nice place to put your drinks and magazine holders on either side of the sofa. It's got theater seating right in front of the TV. So you can sit down, watch TV. Storage there. It's got the no carpet. However, that looks like it needs to be repaired. Like maybe it comes in too far when it's closed and hits the island. So To me, that's a little problematic because it's not laying down. I don't know how you would fix that. What's back here, Cindy?
There's a full bath. It's pretty roomy. Got a nice medicine cabinet.
So it's got a good size shower. It's got a nice size linen closet. It's got a really nice, that's a big medicine cabinet for RVs.
Yeah, I mean, that's nice.
It's got a porcelain throne. I'm not a big fan of these light switches.
I do like that it's got a stairway going up to the loft.
So I'll go up to the loft before we go in the bedroom. And there's not enough room for an adult to stand up here, but it's got 2 twin mattress pads, a little end table between the 2 beds, and a decent dresser and little closet with a second air conditioner located up here for the kiddos. When you come down into the bedroom, there is a step down, so don't let yourself get caught. Cindy, in that closet over there, is that washer and dryer, or?
Yeah, there's a washer and dryer connection.
Washer and dryer connections in the closet. It looks like a full-size,
well, maybe
queen bed or a California king. I can't really tell.
Okay, now this I think is problematic. You've got your 2 drawers here, which are fine. They're kind of narrow, and you've got this, which is fine.
So it looks like your TV connectors.
Yeah, are over here.
So it looks like your TV connectors are on this wall next to the dresser, and you would mount your TV up here.
Your closet, you're gonna have to get on. I can barely fit over here, so you have to stay over there. But anyway, there's the closet.
That will barely open because of the bed.
It's not very accessible. And then you've got, although the drawer opens all the way, but you got to get to it sideways.
Yeah, I've seen destination models with a better bedroom setup. It's very tight over here and almost feels unorganized. I think part of the problem is they included this exterior door so you can get in and out without waking the kids. But for me, that just doesn't work. It's got a nice window over the bed, so you can get a lot of light in here.
And no bedside tables. So.
Oh, and there is no bedside tables, nor do I see plugs to plug in your cell phone to have them on your bedside. Does this come up, Cindy? There is storage underneath the bed. And if you come down here, there's the access door from outside. I'm not a big fan on dual purpose access. I think there should be a wall across there to where you have specific outdoor storage and specific indoor storage. But this is a huge area. However, it is in the slide, which means you can't put too much weight in it or it could affect the slide working properly. There is mock air conditioning located back here. Just outside the bathroom wall is your other mock air conditioning. It's not digital, it's got the old slide type. Not a real fan of that. You got your control panel. It looks like it's got 2 gray tanks and 2 black tanks. I've never had one like that. You've got your ceiling fan control there, and your awning and your slide. There's the ceiling fan right there that's in the living room. So the control's way over on the other side of the camper. So for me, this camper would not work. You know, eventually Cindy and I want to, when we slow down, when we get in our late 70s, 80s, we'll probably get a destination model, put on a piece of property or in a private campground. And so we like to stop and look at them. For me, this floor plan does not work. And I'm also not a big fan of the table, because it looks like it does. Oh, it just looks like it hinges out. So it does hinge out. But is there a...
Yeah, there's a stabilizer.
There's a stabilizer. I don't think I'm a fan of that either. So for me, this Keystone Residence would not work for us, but let us know if it would work for you. Follow us for more camping adventures.